The other parties follow rational paths, they do reasoning. They interpret everything according to their minds because this thing does not fit their minds. That is why they ignore the narrations from the companions. Let's say the sect called Mu'tazila, the sect of heresy, they act very rationally. They put reason and logic above and in front of the narrations. If a narration comes from the companions, they do not take it into consideration, but they make a decision on a religious issue according to their logic, saying that my mind does not accept it. There are many examples of this. The companions may not hear it from the Messenger of Allah, because he may be busy, he may not be able to attend the conversation, then he comes. What would the other companion say to another companion? He says that Rasulullah said this in his conversation while you were absent. He listens to him too. There were such rotations among the companions. Some of them had jobs, some of them had shepherds, shops, stalls, jobs in date palm groves. So when some of them could not attend some of Rasulullah's conversations, they would inform their friends. Whatever you've heard, whatever you've listened to, keep it well. I'll ask you when I come. I will ask you and you will report it to me. This means that the companions, either themselves or from someone else, received beliefs, deeds, rulings and knowledge from the Messenger of Allah. What did al-Sunnah do? They have made it obligatory for themselves to obey the companions. They have stopped thoughts such as my mind does not understand, my logic is not enough. Can this be like this? Therefore, it is stated in the statement of Imam al-Azam, one of the Imams of the Ahl al-Sunnah, that when a ruling or a narration comes from Rasulullah about a matter, that is the ruling. No one can speak over it. No one can make a statement against him. If there is no declaration from the Messenger of Allah about a matter, the narrations of the companions are looked at. What do we do in the narrations of the companions? We can make a choice. That is, this narration came from this companion, this narration came from this companion. Then he says that Abu Hanifa radiallahu an is a mujtahid. This is the ruling according to that opinion. According to this view, the ruling is this. At that point he says we can step in because we are mujtahids. We say that we prefer the opinion of this companion, but we don't say that we should declare an opinion on this matter when the opinion of the companions is available. This is not permissible. But if an opinion, a ruling on a matter has come to us from those who saw the companions, from those who were with the companions, then we say that if they are subject to it, we are subject to it. We also saw companions, we've been with them, therefore we can declare our own ruling on that matter, but we cannot have our own ruling when there is a narration from the companions. Following the companions is obligatory in this way. There is no party other than the al-Sunnah that adopts the way of the companions in this way and considers it obligatory to follow them. Then, since the only sect that will be saved are those who follow the way of me and my companions as described and declared by Rasulullah, and since the sects other than al-Sunnah do not consider it obligatory for themselves to follow the way of the companions, the only path to be saved has become clear. The only one to be saved is the al-Sunnah wal Jama'ah.